Hello, welcome back, and in this lecture we are going to design our C post bottom, which is this menu, and we are going to add this font awesome icon, which I have already opened this icon, so I can easily grab this icon. You can also search for these icon inside the fontawesome.com, and this icon is a smile icon which you can easily find in a font awesome library if you search for a smile icon. And you can also search for images, and I will be using this image, and for the video icon I'll be using this video icon. So let's get started. So open up the index.html file, and inside here in the C post bottom we are going to add another list, and that will be our menu. And inside the another list we are going to add li, and inside the list item we have anchor tag, and inside the anchor tag we are going to add a span element and another span element for the text. So this span element will be for the icon, and the first span element is this first menu, and this menu shows us that it has a video icon, which is this. So copy this icon and paste it here, and we are going to give a color, and in order to give a color we need to select this span element. So in order to select the span element we use class. We are going to say this class name will be icon, let's say live vid. This will be the selector for this video icon, and the text is, let's say, what is the text is live video. So what we are going to do here, we are going to say live and video. So let's copy this and paste it 3 times, and the second icon, let's see, it is the photo icon. So what we are going to do here, we are going to add image and remove this from the second and give image icon, and we will say icon, and we are going to use this menu for uploading images. So we are going to say up image, save it, and the text will be, let's see what is the text, photo and video. So what we are going to add here, we are going to add photo, and we're going to say slash video, save it, and for the last we are going to add this smile icon. Copy this icon and paste it here, and we are going to say icon smile. So save, and the icon text is feeling and activity. So we are going to add a feeling and slash activity. So save the file, and let's refresh the page. So as you can see, we have added the icon and we have added the text. So we have successfully added these icons inside the C post bottom, and we have added the text as well. In the next video we are going to start designing our C post bottom menu. So that's it for now, and see you in the next lecture.